Taiwan is making headlines again, but this time not for its economy or technology. Instead, the island nation is about to do something unprecedented in modern warfare. Taiwan is preparing to produce and purchase over 100,000 military drones. Yes, you heard that right. More than 1 lakh drones, all for one single purpose: defense against China. In today's video, we'll break down what this means, why Taiwan is doing this, and what it reveals about the future of military conflict. To understand this decision, we need a quick recap of the Taiwan-China issue. Taiwan considers itself an independent democracy, but China claims Taiwan as its own and has never ruled out the use of force to take it back. In recent years, Chinese military activities near Taiwan have increased dramatically. This has forced Taiwan to rethink its entire defense strategy, so Taiwan is adopting asymmetric warfare, using smarter, smaller, more agile tools. Now comes the big question. Why 100,000 drones? That number sounds huge, but there's a method to this. Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense is working with local manufacturers to build an entire ecosystem of unmanned systems for reconnaissance, surveillance, and attacks. Think about this. Arm a swarm of drones with explosives. They can cause massive destruction. And Taiwan isn't doing this in isolation. They've been watching the Russia-Ukraine war closely. Ukraine has used drones like Bayraktar TB2 and kamikaze drones to incredible effect. They've destroyed tanks, disrupted supply chains, and tracked enemy movements in real time. Taiwan sees itself in a similar position, a smaller country facing a larger threat. Taiwan's drone program includes micro-drones for tactical surveillance loitering munitions, also known as kamikaze drones that hover and strike on command, long-range UAVs for continuous surveillance and strike roles, and potentially AI-powered drones capable of identifying targets using machine learning. Instead of importing, Taiwan is launching massive domestic production with 10 local companies. This reduces dependence on foreign suppliers and boosts Taiwan's military-industrial base. The government is creating training programs for drone operators, data analysts, and AI integration specialists. Taiwan is building a drone army in numbers, skills, and technology. Taiwan's plan for 100,000 drones is about sending a clear message to China and the world. We may be small, but we are smart, fast, and ready. It shows that in modern warfare, it's not about size, it's about strategy and speed. Taiwan is betting that in David versus Goliath, technology might just be the slingshot. Whether this will deter China is unknown, but Taiwan is not waiting to find out.